Today we're going to be looking at the Italian word
Passeggiata.
which means walk or stroll when the person in question travels on foot, or ride when they go by a means of transport such as a bus, car, or horse.
Passeggiata.
Passeggiata derives from the verb
Passeggiare.
which means to walk, stroll, or amble. To go for or to take a walk translates as,
Andare a fare una passeggiata.
or more simply,
Fare una passeggiata.
if you take another person or an animal like a dog on a walk, you can use the expression
Portare qualcuno a fare una passeggiata. Portare il cane a fare una passeggiata. Perché non andiamo a fare una passeggiata nel parco?
why don't we go on a walk in the park? Passeggiata can also refer to a scenic path along which you can easily walk, with the best translations being promenade, walk, trail, or boardwalk depending on where the path is located.
La passeggiata a mare si estende per circa 2 chilometri.
The seaside promenade is about 2 kilometers long. In English, we often say that a task is a walk in the park, a cakewalk, or a piece of cake, if it's absurdly or surprisingly easy to accomplish, and Italians use passeggiata in the same way.
Superare quell'esame è stato davvero una passeggiata.
Passing that exam was a real cakewalk. Some other ways of saying to go for a walk in Italian include
Andare a fare 2 passi, 4 passi.
literally, to go make 2-4 steps.
Andare a spasso.
To go on a walk, for fun or without any real aim.
Fare una camminata.
To go on a strenuous walk to get in shape.
Andare a passeggio.
To go for a walk or a stroll.
Andare a fare un giro. Andare in giro.
To go for a walk that's quick and fun with stops along the way, often in the city.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.